everyone. Myself Dr. Srushti Desai and I am a practicing general dentist in Vadodara and the proprietor of Sanchit Dental Clinic, which is located at VIP Road, Kareli Bagh area, Vadodara, Gujarat. So here I am today to discuss something about pregnancy and dental health. Usually we dentists do have regular walk-in pregnant patients in our clinics with severe pain and sensitivity which can't be treated off during pregnancy period. So here I am today to discuss something about what you need to know to maintain the oral hygiene and health during pregnancy. Now the first question of concern should be, when should a pregnant patient visit a dentist? I would suggest to make an appointment with the dentist as soon as you are pregnant and let them know of how far along you are and if there are any medical conditions or a high-risk pregnancy. By this time, your dentist will help you assess with your oral health, and if you are planning prior, then I would recommend to visit the dentist beforehand to take care of any dental issues that may be affected during your pregnancy. The second question is very common. Many of my patients do ask me that, doctor, how can pregnancy affect my oral health? The answer to this is, during pregnancy there are increased chances of tooth decay, gum diseases also known as pregnancy gingivitis, and even a few oral growths which are commonly called as pregnancy tumors. Well, these conditions are easily treatable and hence visiting a dentist during pregnancy is highly recommended. The third point is, how can you avoid these diseases? Well, my answer to this is brushing and flossing vigilantly can help you fight the tooth decay and the gum diseases. But nothing can be done for the pregnancy tumors. So, most probably these pregnancy tumors subside after the birth of the baby, or else your dentist can recommend you for the removal of the tumors. The fourth and the most important thing is, how does your oral health affect your baby's health? Studies say that if you have moderate to severe gum diseases, then you may be at higher risk of delivering a preterm low birth weight baby. The next question is, can you undergo a dental cleaning sitting during pregnancy? Yes, dental cleanings pose no harm during pregnancy. In fact, they are a great way to maintain your oral hygiene, which is especially important during pregnancy, and keep your gums and teeth healthier. So the next question is, are dental x-rays safe during pregnancy? Well, dental x-rays can be taken in case of emergencies during pregnancy. However, your dentist will take extreme caution to safeguard you and your baby by shielding your abdomen and thyroid by the use of lidoprene or say thyroid collar. However, unless emergencies, the dentist will postpone taking x-rays and undergoing treatments too until the second trimester of pregnancy, as some studies have found that giving anesthesia during the first trimester may be linked to early miscarriages. However, all the elective procedures should be postponed until after the delivery. So a dentist may ask you to wait till the delivery for all the elective procedures to be undergone. So how to cope up with morning sickness, and does it harm your teeth in one way or the other? So repeated vomiting causes severe damage to your teeth. Exposure to stomach acid dissolves the tooth enamel, which in turn weakens your teeth's defense against the tooth decay. If this morning sickness is keeping you from brushing your teeth, I would highly recommend to immediately change to a better tasting toothpaste. You should also consult your dentist for the same. They may recommend you with a mouth rinse too. The last and the foremost important thing is eating right for your baby and your teeth. First of all, avoid sugary snacks. Those sweet cravings are common. However, keep in mind, the more frequently you snack, the greater the chances of tooth decay. Eat a healthy and balanced diet. Diet containing dairy products, cheese and yogurt are good sources of essential minerals and are good for babies developing teeth, gums and bones. So eat a healthy and balanced diet.
Moreover, your baby's teeth start developing between 3 and 6 months of pregnancy. Nutrients like calcium, protein, phosphorus, and vitamin A, C, and D help your baby's teeth grow healthier.
So hereby I put an end to this video and wish it comes out to be helpful to you in some way or the other. And stay tuned for other such videos regarding dental hygiene and preventive measures to maintain your oral health.